Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to break down this video that I played. So we're in the key of C sharp, but in the intro I started out with A. So I pretended that C sharp is now the 6th of E. So for the intro I started with, then I go to the 5, then we go to the 1. Now we go to the 2 of E, which is also the 4 of C sharps. Right? So we ended up in C sharp. That's the next movement. That's the other one. So this is a passing chord to get to the 6. You notice I'm playing the melody in my at the top. So that's a little twirl. I slide from the C sharp to the C. Cool. Two. So that's it. Okay. This passing chord again. And if you cannot stretch these, you probably can just play short like this. It still works. Right? And this is just a drop 2. So I did a video on drop 2, so you guys can go and check it out. So that's the other movement. So let's break that down. It's from this F, if you cannot stretch, you can just play that, or you choose. So that's the other one. I just added some like ad-libs. So this chromatics, because we're going back to the 6. So I played this for that chord. This was a mistake. What I had wanted to play, I believe, was so I wanted to play this. So that's the run. So that's that part. So this is similar to but I started on the G. So that's basically it. That's the entire thing I did. So guys, feel free to check out this video where I'm showing you guys how to play drop tools.